Hi there, Alexa here. This week, let's take a quick review on how to use HTML forms. Using the HTML form is helpful when your autoresponder service is not yet available as an API integration in Convertri. To do this, you need to add your HTML form in your page first by clicking on Forms on the top toolbar in your editor page. In the Configure Forms dialog, click on HTML Forms, New Form, then select Form from HTML Code. Give your form a name and enter the code for your form. And then click on Create. Then click on the small arrow to use your form and connect it to your page. One of the limitations of using the HTML form is not being able to use the Thank You page redirect from the Configure Form dialog, so you'll need to set it as Stay on Page. Then click on Done. Now it's time to add your form inputs to your page. From your Elements toolbar, grab the form inputs that you will need on your form. Now, to make sure that your form is working, you need to map the form fields to your form inputs. This is one of the steps that is often missed that causes forms to not work, so be sure to always do this. Once you're done, you can test your form on your published page. You can see that the form is working. Just note that there are some limitations when using HTML forms. You cannot sell a product on a page with an HTML code, which also doesn't allow the use of a two-step opt-in. The form widget will not work on HTML forms as well. You will also need to set up the post-submission redirect in your form service instead of the form's configuration on the page. And that's how you use HTML forms. For any suggestions, clarifications, or requests, feel free to comment on this post or reach us in our email at support@convertri.com. Happy converting!